We are taking R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 7th, Chapter 17, Combination Exercises 17.2. The first thing is, from a group of 15 cricket players and a team of 11 players is to be chosen. In how many ways can this be done? So 15 players, 11 to be selected. So straightforward, 15C11 combination we have to take. 15C11. So it is 15 factorial 11 by factorial 15 minus 11, that is factorial 4. 1365. How many different board parties of 8 consisting of 5 boys and 3 girls can be made from 25 boys and 10 girls? So 25 boys are there. So 5 you have to select from these boys and 10 girls are there, you have to select 3 girls. So that means and is there. So you have to select individually and then multiply. So 25 C5 and multiply by 10 C3 and multiply it because of and. 25C5 into 10C3, remember NCR is equal to factorial n, factorial r, factorial n minus r. So when you multiply, you will get this number. In how many ways can a student choose 5 courses out of 9 courses if 2 courses are compulsory for every student? So there are 9 courses in all. And 5 courses have to be selected. But there is a catch. 2 are always compulsory, means 2 are compulsory. That means in 9, 2 are compulsory. So 7 are the only option. So 2 are compulsory, so only 7 options are there. And you have to select only 3 because 2 are already compulsory. So 7C3. So you have to subtract 2 from 9, 2 from 5, and you are going to get 7C3, 35 ways. In how many ways can a football team of 11 players be selected from 16 players? And there are 2 options here. How many of these will include 2 particular players and exclude 2 particular players? The first thing is, there are 16 players and you have to select 11. So 16C11 is the total possibility. 4, 3, 6, 8 will come. Now include 2 particular players always. That means 2 is already there. So you just have 14 options, 16 minus 2. So only 14 options are there. And since 11 has to be selected and 2 are already there, you have to subtract 2 from 11. The choices are limited. There are only 9 we have. So 14C, 9 is the answer, including of 2 players always. Now exclude 2 players always. So you have to exclude 2 from the original numbers. So we have, this has 16 total. Now 2 you have to remove. So 14 options are there. But still you have to make a team of 11. 11 has to be selected. Only 2 are not to be selected. So from 16 we have already deducted 2. So it will be 14C11. 364 will come. There are 10 professors and 20 students, out of whom a committee of 2 professors and 3 students is to be formed. So we have 10 professors and 20 students. And in these, 2 professors and 3 students are to be taken. 2 professors and 3 students. Find the number of ways in which this can be done. So what is this? See, it is and. The question given has and in it. That means you have to multiply it. So 10C2 and 20C3. Multiply them, 51300 will come. Now the first part in this question is a particular professor is included. See, the next thing will say remain same. We are talking about professor. A particular professor is always included. So 10 minus 1, you have only 9 options, 1 is always included. And since 1 is included, you just have 1 to select from 9. So 9C1 into 20C3. Now second part is a particular student is included. So we'll do the reverse. 10 to 2 will not change. But particular student is always included. So you just have 19 options. And 1 is from there, that is only 2 you can select from 19 because 1 is already selected. So 19C 2. And particular student is excluded, this is third option. So doesn't matter for the professor, but for the students, a particular student is excluded. So remove, you have excluded, so 19 is only there, so C3, 19C3. So I hope that you'll be able to solve the factorials, right? So I'm just giving you the concept. How many different products can be obtained by multiplying 2 or more of the numbers 3, 5, 7, 11? 5, 7, 11. How many different products can be obtained by multiplying 2 or more of the numbers 3, 5, 7, 11? So we have to multiply 2 of these, 3 of these, 4 of these. Because it is 2 or more numbers. So just assume 5 into 3 multiplying. Then you multiply 5 into 3 into 7. Like this. And without repetition. So it is 2 or more. So if it is 2 and more, you can have 2 numbers at a time, 3 number at a time, and 4 number at a time. So if these are 4 numbers, so 4, in this 4 you can select all of them, multiply them together. So it is OR, right? OR, the question is saying OR. That means you have to add. You know, whenever there is AND, you have to multiply, wherever there is OR, you have to add. Now 4C4, now we'll take the 3 out of these 4 and multiply them. And now we will take 2 out of them and multiply them. But the condition is 2 greater, so we cannot take 4C1. 4C1 we cannot take. And now there is an OR relationship. You just add them. 4C4, 4C3, 4C2. You have to add these. And you are going to get 11 ways. From a class of 12 boys and 10 girls, 10 students are to be chosen for a competition, at least including 4 boys and 4 girls. The 2 girls who won the prizes last year should be included. In how many ways can the selection be made? So you have 12 boys and 10 girls. So we have to have 10 students in all. Two girls you have to always include. So in 10 girls you just remove 2. You just have, for girls, 8 girls are there. Okay. Since 8 is there, 2 already taken, so only girls options are 8 and selection is only 2, right? At least 2 girls, right? At least 2 girls. So you can have 2 girls, 3 girls, 4 girls. In boys, 12 boys. So at least 4 girls have to be selected. So you can have 4. So we'll just try and add them, and combination should be such that it should be, you have to include it always, right? So 12 boys, 8 girls. So 12 boys, again understand, now 8 girls are remaining. And we have to select 10. Only 8 options for girl are remaining. 2 are always included. Right? See, 12C, and these 2 numbers which are coming below, the addition should be only 8. You cannot go beyond 8 because 2 are already included. So 4 4 girls, 4 boys. Girls or 2 girls are already included. So you have girls as 2, boys as 6 first. Now if you select, see 2 girls are there. So now at least 4 girls are to be there. So now 12C, 12C5, now 5 boys are there. If 5 boys are there, so you have 3 girls from 8. If you have 4 boys, then this is 8C4. And this you have to multiply and then you have to add. See? So 12 boys, 8 girls only. We have option this. 2 is already included. So you just multiply these two, add. Multiply these two, and add with this third one. So it is going to be 104874. Let me tell you, understand. 12 boys, 10 girls. You have to select 10. In 10 girls, 2 are already selected. So you have only 8 girls. So from 12 and 8, you have to select 8. Now, 2 are already included. So now when you add these two, means the selection, it can be maximum 8. But at least 4 boys should be selected. So we'll start with boys as 4. Then 4, 4, 5, 6. We can go. So we can go up to 4, 5, 6 with boys and 2, 3, 4 with girls. Because if you add 6 to it is 8, 5, 3, 8 like this. How many different selections of 4 books can be made from 10 different books? So 10 books are there and we have to select 4. If there is no restriction, first part is there is no restriction. So 210 will come. Now second part is 2 particular books are always selected. So 2 books are always selected. So you subtract 2 from 10. You only have option 10. 2 are already selected. So you just have 2 options from 8. It will be 28 ways. 2 particular books are never selected. So with 10 books, just subtract 8, never selected. And now you have to select at least 4. So 8C4 is the answer. From 4 officers and 8 jawans, in how many ways can 6 be chosen to include exactly 1 officer and to include at least 1 officer? So 4 officers are there, 8 jawans, and total there are 6. We have to select total 6. So include exactly 1 officer. So just select 1 from the officer, 4C1. So if you have in 6, 1 has been taken from officer, only 5 can be taken from the jawans. So 8C5 and is the option, so multiply them. Now include at least 1 officer. So you select 1 officer, you either select 2 officer, you select 3 officer, or you select 4 officers. So at least 1 officer is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we select 1 officer, how many jawans will be there? 1 is 5, because in all it should be 6. If it is 2 officer, then only jawan can be 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. And then if 3 officers are there, jawan will be how many? 3. If 4 officers, then 2 jawans. So if you add the below C, you will obviously see that this is equal to 6. So 896 will be the answer. A sport teacher of 11 students is to be constituted, choosing at least 5 from class 11 and at least 5 from class 12. If there are 20 students in each of these class, in how many ways can the teams be constituted? So we have a sport team. 11 students have to be selected. In all, 11 has to be selected. and choosing at least 5 from class 11. So this is class 11. At least means you can have minimum 5, then 5, 6, 7 you can go up to whichever you want. Here also at least 5, 5, 6, 7, wherever you go on. Here we have 20 students in class 11, 20 students in class 2. In all we have to have 11. So if from the first class, 11th class, 20 are there and it has to be greater than 5. So we start with 5. So if we take 20 C5, then from the 12th class, how many we take? 5 plus what should be 11? It should be 6. So now, if we take 6 from the 11th class, then because 11 has to be added, we can take only 5 from the class 12, 20 C5. 5 and 6 and 5 should add up to 11 in total. And this is the answer. A student has to answer 10 questions, choosing at least 4 from each part A and part B. If there are 6 questions in part A and 7 in part B, in how many ways can the student choose 10 questions? So 10 questions are there. He has to answer. Now part A is there. He has to choose at least 4. Means it has to be greater than 4. 4 is the minimum. 4, 5, 6 it can go up. And from B, if there are 6 questions part A and 7 part in B, in how many ways student choose 10 questions? So 7 are in part B, 6 are in part 1. In how many ways can the student choose the 10 questions? Now it should not be less than 4 here, right? In A. At least it cannot be less than 4 in A and B. So now 6 questions in part A. Now from 6 questions we have taken 4 questions from part A. When we take 4 questions from part A, now we have 7 in part B, so we can take only 6. 6 plus 4 has to be 10. Now we are taking 5 questions from part A. Now we can take only 5 questions from part 2 because both should add to 10. Now we are taking 6 questions from part A. So how much we can select from here? It should add up to 10, right? It should be 7C4. 7C4. Now this one, and this one. So you got to add them. This is 266 ways. In an examination, the student has to answer 4 questions out of 5 questions. There are 5 questions, 4 to be answered. Question 1 and 2 are compulsory. Determine the number of ways in which the student can make the choice. So we have 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? In these 5 questions, 4 have to be selected. 5 answers have to be given for. So, but the thing is, 1 and 2 are always compulsory. So 1 and 2 are always compulsory. So 4 answers has to be given. 1 and 2 is already included. So you just have to give options of only 3 are remaining in 5. And since 2 is already done with in this answered 4 minus 2 is 2. So only 2 has to be selected from these 3 remaining. 3C2. These are 3 ways. A candidate is required to answer 7 questions out of 12 questions, which are divided into 2 groups, each containing 6 questions. He is not permitted to attempt more than 5 questions from either group. In how many ways can he choose 7 questions? Now the question is 7 questions out of 12 questions. 2 groups are there. A is there and group B is there. In 2 groups, each has 6 questions. 6 questions in 1, 6 questions in 2. and he is not permitted to attempt more than 5 questions from either the group. So it cannot go beyond 5. It cannot go beyond 5, right? Okay. In how many ways can he choose these 7 questions? So first we start with first one. So there are 6 questions. If we select 2 from first, we will select, because 7 in all 7 should be there. And here you can have 6, C, 5. 5 you can select from second one, because 2 plus 5 should be 7. Now here if you select 3, then 3 plus 4 is 7. So only 4 can be selected from B. 2 plus 5 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, right? 4 are in all we have to select. Now if you select 4 questions from first one, you can have how many? 4 plus 3, 7 again. Now if you select 5 questions from A, then you have to select 2 questions from B. Now you cannot go up to 6C6. Why you cannot go up to 6C6? Because at most 5 questions you can take. So here also we have not gone up to this 6C1 or 6C0, right? That will make difference. Now you have to multiply these two, add. Multiply these two, add. Multiply these two, 64 and 63, multiply. Add. 65 into 62, multiply and add. And this will be 780. So these two are common. You can just take them as twice. And this one are also common, right? This is 3. So these 2 are common. You can just add them. 6 questions, right? 12 questions. More than 5 questions from either group is not permitted. Then 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2. I hope you got the idea. These 2 are exactly similar, right? This one also similar. Just you can make 2, and this will be 780. There are 10 points in a plane, of which 4 are collinear. How many different straight lines can be drawn by joining these lines? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 points which are in the same line. Collinear means same line. So there are 10 points in all. So these are collinear. Same line passes through these 4 points. So whichever line you make from these 4, any 2 combination, 3 combination, 4 combination, there will be only one line. So we have 2 points. You can have a line from 2 points. So you can take 2 points from 10 given points. You have to select 2 points so that you can make a line. But the thing is that in these lines are also included. This one, this one, this one, this one. This is also included. So these are only one line. Even if you take any of the lines, these are equal line. So you have to take 4 points, make lines. So you have to subtract it from original. So all these lines, these 4 points are making, this is a single line. So you have to subtract it. But now when you subtracted this single line, which is the one line, is also discarded. The single line. So you have to add 1, because you don't want this line to be discarded. When you did 4C2, you discarded all the lines this with 4 points. So you have to add 1. And this is going to be 40. Find the number of diagonals of hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. 6 sides. So how many diagonals are there? See, you don't have to worry about anything. There are 6 points in all. How many points are there? 6 points. So you have to see how many lines can be drawn through these 6 points. This is one of the diagonal, okay? This is one of the diagonal. So how many diagonals can be formed? Don't worry about number of diagonals. Just remember about the number of points. So you have 6 points or 6 vertex. 6 vertex are there. 6 vertex are there. Now you have to select any of 2 of these to make a line. So 6C2 will include everything, whether it be a diagonal, whether it be the side of the hexagon, it will include everything. So in all, 6C2 is showing you everything, right? But we don't want this. We don't want the side. This is the side. If you combine two points, the side is also there. See, we have diagonals also, we have sides also in this 6C2. So we don't want the sides to be included. So we have to remove the side. How many sides are there? 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. So you have to subtract this 6 number of sides from the 6C2. Then only you will get number of diagonals. Okay. 6C2 minus 6. 6C2 will come as 15. And 15 minus 6 is 9. So this is going to be 9. Now polygon of 16 sides. So you have 16 sides. So don't worry, just see that 2 points to make a line. So 16C2, all points we have taken, all lines we have taken, all lines. But you have to subtract the number of sides because you don't want the side. So minus 16. So this is going to be 120 minus 16, 104. Okay. How many triangles can be obtained by joining 12 points? 5 of which are collinear. Now here we have 12 points. So these 12 points, how many triangles are to be formed? So now here you don't worry about anything. Just you remember that you need 3 points to make a triangle. You have to make, there are 12 points. So you have to select 3 of these to make a triangle. So these are the all possible triangles with these 3 points. But the point is, there are 5 in straight line, and that will not any 3 point taken will not form a triangle. So 5C3. All the triangle with these 5 as the points, it will not be the triangle. 3 points cannot be made a triangle, right? So 5C3 you have to subtract, because these lines, these points will not give you any of the 3 will not give you the triangle. So you have to subtract this 5C3 from 12C3. 12C3 is the all possibilities of triangle. 5C3 is all the possibility with these 5 points which will never make a triangle. But we have included this in 12C3. So you have to subtract this 5C3 from 12C3. Right? I hope you got the idea. This 5C3 is all those which are with these 5 points, which will never make a triangle. In how many ways can a committee of 5 persons be formed out of 6 men and 4 women? When at least 1 woman has to be necessarily selected. So we have 5 persons in all, right? And 6 men and 4 women are there. 6 men, 4 women. At least 1 woman should be there. You cannot have a committee without women. So when you have 1 woman, start with 1 woman, right? 5 in all. So start with 1 woman, 4C1. So how will be men? How much will be men? Because 5 has to be in all. So men can be only 4. Now you have 4C2, 2 women. So now you have 3 men. 4 plus 1 should be 5, and 3 plus 2 has to be 5. Now you have 3 women. Now men will be 6C2. Now 4C4, all women can be there. So 6C1. Now the principle of multiplication and addition will apply here. Multiply these two. Now add with these two. Multiply these two. Multiply these two and add all of these. This is the answer. 246 will come. You multiply all these. 246 will come. Question is, there is a village. There are 87 families, of which 52 families have at most 2 children. At most means they can have 0, 1 or 2. So 0, 1 or 2. It cannot have more than it. They don't have. So how many remaining are there? 35 are remaining. Now here it can have more than 2. So 3, 4, 5, and it can go up to any number. Now the question is, in a rural development programs, 20 families are to be chosen for assistance, of which at least 18 families must have at most 2 children. In how many ways can the choice be made? At least 18 families must have at most 2 children. So this is 52, at most 2 children. So you have to have at least 18 of them. So you can have 18 from minimum 18, okay? Minimum 18. So you can have 18 from 52, you can have 19 from 52, you can have all the 20 from 52. So if you take 18 out of 52, so how many you are going to take from 35 remaining? You have to make it 20. So you will take 2. Now if you take 19 from there, 19 from this at most 2 families, then you have to take, see, 18 plus 2 should be 20 and 19 plus 1 should be 20. Then we are taking all of these, all the 20 families from 52. Then how much is remaining with 35? Nothing. So this is 35 is 0. So this is the answer. A group of 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected if the team has no girl, at least 1 boy and 1 girl, at least 3 girls? So we have 4 girls and 7 boys. First thing being asked is no girl, so we have to only select from boys. So we have to have 5 team members. So there are 7 boys, you take all from 7, that is 5 from 7, so it is 21. The second is at least 1 boy and 1 girl. So 1 boy and 1 girl has to be there. It has to be 1 boy, 1 girl. You can go up to whatever number you want. So let us start with the girls, or you can start with boys. So you start with boys. So you take 1 boy. You take first 1 boy. You have taken 1 boy. Now you have to make it 5. So you can take 4 from the girls. All the girls you can take. Now you take 2 from the boys. Now from girls you will take how much? You have to make it 5. So 7C3. Then you have to take, let us take 3 from the boys. 7C3. Now you have to take 4 from the boys. These addition should be 5. Please remember. So it should be 7C2. 4C2 now. Now we have 7C4. We have taken 4 from the boys. So 1 from the girl. You cannot go less than that. At least 1 by 1 girl should be there. So these are the minimum. You cannot have 4C0. So these 4 items are there. Just multiply and add them. 441. At least 3 girls. At least 3. Minimum is 3. You can go whatever number you want. So you have 3 girls now. So how many boys can you take? You have 3 girls. Boys is now 5 you have to make. So it's 2 boys. Now you take all the girls. So boys will be 7C1. So this is the possibility. Multiply and add. 91 will be the answer. A committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. So 2 men are there, 3 women are there. In how many ways can this be done? First of all, how many ways? How many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? So take the first part first. In how many ways can this be done? So you have to have 3 persons and 2 men and 5 women are there. Right? So it doesn't matter men and women. You can have anyone. So 5 in all, men and women are there. You have to select 3. 5C3 is the answer. Right? 5c3 is 10. Now coming to the second part. How many of these committee would consist of one man and two women? So one man and two women. So how to select one man from two men? How to select two women from three women? So one man from two men will be 2c1. Two men are there, one man has to be selected to 2c1. Three women are there, two has to be selected, so 3c2. Multiply them, answer will be 6. Find the number of diagonals, triangles formed in a decagon. Decagon means, deca means 10. So deca has 10 sides. This is a polygon with 10 sides. So how to make it? You see, for every 2 point, you can make a line. With every 2 point, you can make a line. So 10 points are there, you can take 2 at the time, 10c2 is the total possibility. But because the sides are also involved in this 10c2, there are 10 sides. So you have to subtract this 10 from here. You have to subtract this 10 which are the sides. Because in 10c2, you have taken all the lines, which includes the sides also. You have to remove this from the actual answer. So 10c2 minus 10, 45 minus 10, and this is 45 minus 10, then that is going to be 35. Now coming to the second part, triangles formed in a decagon. So any 3 point, so there is no collinearity, there is no 2 point which are 3 point collinear. You take 10 points and you need 3 point to make a triangle, 10c3. Simply, you need 3 points to make a triangle. From 10 points, take 3 points and 10c3 will be the answer. This is going to be the result. These are the triangle formed in a decagon. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of deck of 52 cards if at least one of the 5 cards has to be a king. So in this, first you have to understand cards also. So if there are 52 cards, there are 4 type of cards in this 52. We have to take 5 cards out of it. In these 52 cards, you have to take 5 cards. And the question is, at least one of the 5 cards has to be king. So it can be 1 king. We can have 4 king maximum. In all the 4 different shades of these 52 cards, we have spade, we have, like this. So we have 1 king. If 1 king is there, we have 1 king, so there will be, because in all 5, so 4, this is 4, not 5, okay? This is going to be 4, I am going to change it later. This is 4 non-kings, or you have 2 kings, or you have to make it 5. So 3 non-kings, then you have, or you can have 3 king, or you can have, and you have 2 non-king. If you take all the 4 kings, then there will be 4 king, so you have to make it 5. So 4, it cannot be more than 4k king. See, these are 4 partitions in 52 card. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, only one king will be there. 1 king in each of these partition. So there will be only 4 kings. So maximum 4 king you can take. If you take 4 king, you have to take 1 non-king. 1 non-king. So 1 king, these are 4 flavors and there can be only maximum 4 kings. So 4c1 is from, if you take 1 king, if you take 2 king, 4c2, if you take 3 king, 4c3, it is 4c4 if you take 4 king. Now we have 4 non-kings. This is not 5, this is 4 non-kings, right? So you have to subtract, because king you cannot take, you have non-king card, that is 48 non-king card. So it can be anything, like it can be 10, it can be 9, whatever. But only king should not be there. So it will be 48c4. As I said, it is not 5, it is 4. So 48c4 you have to take. 48c4 and it will be 48C3. So 48C4, let me write. Multiply, or means plus, and means multiplication. Multiply 3 non-kings. So 48C3. Then or plus. This is multiplication, add 2 non-king, 48C2. Then or plus 4C4, and means multiplication. 1 non-king, 48C1. Now you have to solve it. It is going to come as 886656. We wish to select 6 persons from 8. But if the person A is chosen, then B must be chosen. In how many ways can the selection be made? Please understand, there are 6 persons from 8. 6 8 में से select करने हैं. But if you select A, you have to select B. First case is you select A. If you have to select, you have to have a B. So that means, now this you remove 2 from here. Remove 2 from here, AB remove. So 6 options. You remove 2 from here, so 4. So in 6 you have to select 4 because AB is already included. So you have to have 6C4. This is the first one. 15 ways are there. Now when A and B are not selected, actually A is not selected. A is not selected. A is selected, B has to come, but it is never said that B selected, so A should also be selected. It is only A when B is selected. So if you select A, you are not selecting A now. Others are remaining. How many are remaining? In 8, A is not selected, so 7 are remaining. So in this 7, see, you have to have 6 people. A you have not taken, so only 7 are remaining. So 7 C6. These are the ways. So 2 are there, A selected, A not selected. So A selected, A be selected, or A not selected. Actually A not selected it should be, yes. Now we need to add them. 15 plus 7, principle of addition. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? And these all questions, whatever we have seen, most of the questions are from NCERT. 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls. So 3 girls, 3 boys. 5 boys are there and 4 girls are there. So see 5C3, 4C3, 3 from 5 and 3 from 4. Multiply them, principle of multiplication, 40 will come. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 balls, 5 or 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So there are 9 balls, right? And 6 balls are red, 5 balls are white, 5 are blue, right? Now, each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So whatever you select, the balls should be equal. The balls should be equal. So how do you select? In 9, 3 from here, 3 from here, 3 from here. You have to make it 9. So see, if you select, I'm taking an example. If you take 3 balls, forget 9 right now. So if you have only 3 balls, so one has to be red, one has to be white, one has to be blue. If you select 6, it should be 2 red, 2 white, 2 blue. So you have to select 3 from 6, so 6C3. You have to select 3 from 5, 5C3. You have to select now 3 from 5, 5C3. Oh, principle of multiplication, multiply them. It is going to be 2000 will come. Determine the number of 5 cards combination out of deck of 52 cards if there is exactly 1 ace in each combination. Exactly 1 ace in each combination. So 52 cards are there. So there are 4 flavors in these cards. 13, 13, 13, 13. Right? So now in these 13 partitions, 4 partitions, 1 ace will be in each of the partitions. So there are 4 aces now. And it is being said in these 5 cards, exactly 1 ace has to be selected. Only one ace. Exactly one ace. So how to select one ace from 4 ace? 4c1. Now 4 cards are remaining. Now you have to remove this 4 aces from 52. So 48 are remaining. From 48 you have to take 4 cards now. 1 you have taken from as ace, so 4 will be from non-ace cards. So 778320 will come. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 of 17 players? 17 players are there, in which 5 persons can bowl. If each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. So in these 17, 5 players can bowl. 5 can bowl. Right? And in 11 of this team, 4 exactly should be bowlers. Exactly. So 5 bowlers, 5 can only bowl, and you take 4 out of them. So 5c4 will be there for the bowlers. Right? So you have taken 4 from 5 bowlers. Now you have 5 already been taken, means 5 already been judged. So in 17, you have to subtract 5 now, because 5 from 5 bowlers already 4 has been selected. Now we have 11 already 4 has been selected. So you are remained with, you have to select 7 from what? 17 minus 4. Right? You have to select, subtract 5, sorry. 17 minus 5 is 12. 5 already been taken care. So 12, and now 7 has to be selected from 12. See, 5 bowlers are there. In these, 5 bowlers are there. 4 exactly should be there. So 5c4 is there. Now 17, 5 already been taken already for bowlers. So only 12 are remaining. Now these 12 are there, but 4 already are bowlers. So in these 12, already 4 are bowlers. So if to make 11, you can take 7. Only 7 remaining. 7 plus 4 is 11. So now you are going to take from 12, that is 17 minus 5, 12. Now you have to take 7, that is 11 minus 4. A bag contained 5 black and 6 red balls. 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. So it's a straightforward question. See, 2 from 5 and 3 from 6. Principle of multiplication, multiply them. 200 will come. 2 from 5 and 3 red ball from 6 red ball and 2 black ball from 5 black ball. Just multiply them. 200 will come. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available? 9 courses are available. Student has to take 5 courses. 5 courses a student has to take. 5 courses, 2 courses. 2 courses are specific courses. 2 are specific courses, compulsory to every student. So 2 just, you see, first is 2 is compulsory. That is, in 9 courses, 2 are compulsory. So you just have 7 options. In these 5 courses, a person has to take 5 courses, 2 are already compulsory. So 5 minus 3, 3 is the only option. So from 7, he has to take 3. 35. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. 9 boys and 4 girls. Sorry, this is not 7, okay? This is 4 girls. So we need all 7 in the committee. In how many ways can this be done when the committee consists of? So exactly 3 girls is there. We need exactly 3 girls. This is 4 girls, right? So exactly 3 girls we want. So 4C3 is the exact 3 girls. When you have taken 3 girls in 7, 4 is remaining. So now you can take 4 from 9. So multiply them. This is going to be answer 504. At least 3 girls. So at least 3 girls. Minimum 3 girls. So you can start with 3 girls. If you take 3 girls to make it 7, 9C, 4, right? If you take 3 girls, 4 boys can be taken from 9. Now you can take 4 girls also. At least means 3 or there are maximum 4 girls. So you can take all of them. 4C4. So how many boys are remaining? 9C3. So multiply them and add. It will be 588. Now the third is at most 3 girls. At most 3 girls. So you cannot go beyond 3. So what we'll do? 9 boys are there and 4 girls are there. 7 team has to be formed. At most 3 girls. At most 3 girls, right? So first thing is, one girl you take. When you take one girl, you have to take 6 boys. You take 2 girls and you make and or. Either this is the option or you take 2 girls and if you take 2 girls, it will be 5 boys. Now or if you take 3 girls, how many will be the boys? 4 boys. You have to make it 7. So you have to make it 7. So 4 boys or and. Now you cannot go to 4 girls. At most 3 girls can be there. So you might be thinking why we are not taking 4C4. We cannot have it. Right? Or we can have a 0 girl option also. Yes. It is not being said you cannot take any girl. Yes, it is said. So 0 girl also, if you take 0 girl, that is 7 boys. So you just multiply them. The answer is in front of you. 0 girl. So 0 girls. 4C0. 7 boys. How many? 9C7. Now 1 girl. So 4C1. 6. 4C2. 4C3. And this is going to be 9C7. So it will be 9C6. And this will be 9C5. And this is going to be 9C4. 4. Okay. So multiply them. And multiply and add. Where and is there, multiply. Where or is there, add. 1632 will come. In an examination, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts. Part 1 and part 2. So 12 questions are there. 2 parts are there. So part 1 and part 2. First part contains 5 questions. Second part contains 7 questions respectively. In all 12 questions. So 5 questions for first part, 7 questions second part. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all. So in all he can attempt 8 questions. Selecting at least 3 from each part. So minimum he has to select 3. Minimum he has to select from 1 and select 3 from the second part. So if you select say 3 from the first. So if you select 3 from here, first part. 5 questions are there, you are selecting 3 now. So if you select 3, how many you select from the second part? So you have to make it as 8. So 7C4, 7C5. Now, you are taking 4 from the first. So, what you are going to take from the second one? 7C4, you have to make it 8. Now, 5C5, you can take all the questions from part 1. All the questions. So, 5C5. When you take 5C5, it's going to be what? 7C, 5C5, right? So now it will be 7C3. So these are the only possibility. See, only at least 3 has to be taken. It can go beyond whatever number, but at least 3. So 3, 4, 5, this one, 3, 4, 5, this one. Just multiply them with and or rule, multiplication and addition rule, you get the answer. A group consists of now this is a parallelogram question actually. A parallelogram is cut by 2 sets of M lines parallel to its sides. So you have a parallelogram. This is our square is also parallelogram, and so it is cut by two set of M parallel lines. And M parallel lines parallel to its sides. M parallel lines. So if you take two, say these are M. So let us take with an example. These are two lines, right? So M lines are there. And this is parallel to two sides. Find the number of parallelograms thus formed. How many parallelograms you are going to form? See, two sets of parallel lines are there. One is this side, one is this side, one is this side, and these are the other sides which are parallel. These are parallel. Each set of parallel lines consists of two parallel lines. Every set, how many are there? See, 1, 2 are these parallel lines which we made. These are two. And the others are the sides. If I take an example of 2, the other will also have to be added. Two are parallel sides. If you take this one, if I make a line like this, now this is parallel to the other side. So these are the two parallel lines, but along with this you have two more lines which are actually the sides of the parallelogram. So you have to add 2 with the M parallel lines. So each parallelogram is formed by choosing 2 lines from the first side and the 2 lines from the second side. So you have, this is one parallelogram, one from side and one from the parallel line. Again, you have to make a parallelogram. So one line you are taking from here, one line you are taking from here. That is the parallel lines with the two sides. That is going to M plus 2. So this is for the first one. That is when you have a horizontal parallel lines. This M plus 2 C2, you are selecting 2 from this M plus 2 lines. And if you take horizontal and we take now the vertical, so M plus 2 C2 for the vertical, or say horizontal, and M plus 2 C2 for the vertical also. Right? M plus 2, that is M is the parallel line, 2 is the opposite side, that will make parallelograms. So you are taking 2 at a time, 2 line will make a parallelogram. So M plus 2 C2, M plus 2 C2, one for vertical, one for horizontal. So M plus 2 C2 whole square will come. Out of 18 points in a plane, 18 points are there. No 3 are in the straight line except 5 points, which are collinear. So 5 points are collinear. How many straight lines? And first is straight lines and triangles can be formed by joining them. So first is straight line, second is triangle. Now straight line concept is quite simple. See, take all the points. With 2 points you can make a line. So 18 C2 are all the possibilities which are, but the thing is, there are 5 points which are collinear. So even if you make this line, any of these 5 you combine, there will be only single line. So 5C2, this is same line. So 5C2 you remove it. See, 5 points, if you combine any of these in any way, it will be the same line. It is retributing same line. So 5C2 you have to remove from all the combination. But the actual line which is there, that is the one which is counted, is also removed. So you have to add a 1 this. Actual line should not be removed. Right, 144 will be there. The number of triangles. So whatever is the case, there are 18 points. And we have how many points? Collinear. See, the case is different. It is not 18. We remove this 5. We remove this 5. So it will be 13. In 18 we just remove this 5. These 5 collinear line we just remove it. So 13 are the only points which are used in making a triangle. So 13C, 3 is the answer. I hope you idea. 3 points we need to take for a triangle. 5 points you remove from 18, this is the answer. Okay.